Good morning, everyone. It is 10:19 and I am so sleepy. We went to sleep like at 2 in the morning almost again. And that you see back there is not a ghost, it is my sister. So now we're just up. My sister made us some breakfast. So I'm gonna have some coffee, have some breakfast, and then get on with our day. We're supposed to be going to church. But I don't think we're gonna go, sadly. This is what breakfast is gonna be. Those are the eggs that my sister made me. They're my dad used to make them for us growing up. I don't know if it's a thing, I don't know where it's from, but this is what we grew up eating. It's pretty much caramelized onions with egg, and it's probably gonna sound gross to a lot of people, but that's what we grew up eating and we like it. So I have that with a slice of toast, some tea. Everyone, just got done doing my makeup and getting ready. I just touched up my hair a little bit because yesterday I just straightened it, and I typically don't like to retouch my hair after I straightened it, but because it was raining, all like the edges got curly, so I just kind of touched that up just a little bit and did my makeup. So I'll show you guys right now what I'm wearing, but just did like a super light makeup. Nothing too crazy, but it's kind of want to show you guys. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing right now. And I think we're gonna clean and then get on with the day, maybe? I don't know. Alright, so this is pretty much what I'm wearing right now. I put on some concealer all over my face. The light one I put under my eyes and on my lids, and then the beige I put all over my face. And typically what I do is after I put this on my face, I'll spritz it with the glow mist to make it more like spreadable, I guess, or something like that. And that helps it sheer out better. So usually I put this all over after I put that, and then just put it all over the face, kind of like a foundation, but not exactly. Then I have some of the Milk Makeup bronzer. I put this on the eyes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and it's the Jackie Anna collaboration. So pretty much what I did is I just grabbed edges and put that all over the lid, and I grabbed a little bit of Zam and put that on the inner corner. That's it, on the lid I mean. So that's all I'm wearing on the eyes. And then put on some Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, one coat. And then I'm wearing the ColourPop Brow Boss, and I'm wearing it in dark brown. So this is what I have on the brows, and that's all I'm wearing today. Nothing. Oh, and then some powder, which I ran out of the Maybelline powder. That's pretty much all I'm wearing on the face. Pretty simple. I'm in the middle of cleaning right now, but I quickly wanted to show you guys these pants because so I've always bought pants at Old Navy for Black Friday, but I usually buy them in the women's area, and I realized that the men's area, their pajama pants are thicker and they also have pockets. But what's funny is that the sizing, it's pretty similar to like women's sizing. So I wear a large in women's. Their large fits me the same, except for they're a little longer, but you can roll them up and they'll fit fine. And they were $1 more. So I ended up buying a bunch of men pajamas. These are just a couple of the designs that I picked up. So I'm jumping in again. I wanted to show you guys all these shoes that I picked up during Black Friday, like while it was going on in stores. I totally forgot to pick them up or show you guys, but these are from Target. They're already dirty because I've been using them a lot, but these are so comfortable. I have a wide foot and I didn't even get the wide ones. I wear size 8 and they're so comfy. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but they're just very, very comfortable on my feet. And I'm kind of sad because I think right now they're out of stock because they were running a sale of like $15 or something for these, but they're regularly $26, which I still think it's a good price. The quality is really good. It's like a full leather. Yeah, if you can find them in stores nearby or whatever, I would definitely recommend them. And they're the brand A New Day. Then I was also looking for some snake print boots everywhere. And almost everywhere they had them for like $50 or up, even on sale. And I was going to pay that much, but I really didn't want to. And also some of the design just weren't my style. They have a ton of different styles with the same print, but Target had these, which are kind of like booties with a little tiny heel, and these were on sale for like $25. What a great deal. And what was kind of cool is that these were literally the last ones in the whole store, like not even just a size, just the whole boot as a whole. They only had a size 8 left in the whole store. My sister found them for me and I was super excited. Oh, Universal Thread, that's the brand, and I picked them up at 8. And then last but not least, I picked these up from Guess. I had a gift card and I'd been wanting some white sneakers because that's what everybody else was wearing, and I wasn't going to pay a lot for them, but since I had a gift card I decided to go in there. And they have like a little tiny detail there of gold, which I typically don't wear gold, but I don't mind them on the shoes. And they have like the quilt here. So I think that is it for the cleaning part for now, and we're gonna go to storage, drop off some things and pick up some things and bring them back. But I think we did pretty good. It's not like a perfect dream home, but it's our home and it's reality. This is what it looks like because we live in it. So I think we're done for now, and we'll go to the storage and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. That was a success. We just got finished at the storage and we picked up all the Christmas stuff, and now we're gonna try to figure out what to eat for early dinner, late lunch. So we're trying to figure out what to eat. I don't know, he's craving burgers. I'm not, but we might have them anyways. I don't know, but either way, so we picked up all of our Christmas stuff. I thought we had more. It actually wasn't that much. Goodness. We might have to go buy more. More decorations?
I don't think so. We have sufficient.
Why? We were supposed to go to Big Lots and you never took me again.
Different colorways. I think we have sufficient for different colorways, but
not really.
yeah,
We'll see.
Stopping for?
We'll see. I wanted to go to Michael's because I saw Taylor Wynn. She did like these giant flowers and she stuck them in the tree and it looked so pretty. So I was thinking of maybe
flowers in the tree.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. I'll show you what it looks like. She buys these like really big plastic flowers, like fake ones, and then just sticks them in the tree. And it looks really pretty. So I was thinking of doing that. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. They look delicious.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am. They look delicious. Should get it for the cat.
Good freak out.
Well, Francisco just grabbed this, which was full of melted wax, and it fell all over his hand.
I think it's a horrible miscommunication.
Did it burn you?
No, I don't think so. If it is, oh well.
Hello, it is 6:45, and we're gonna try and find a tree. So, wish us luck. Guys, we found the one. It's Douglas fir, 5 to 6 feet. And he's making it flip for some reason. We found the one. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Francisco, the chef.
Corn dogs.
So you're making us corn dog tonight?
Yep. Following the instructions. Put the oven already to 350. Take these out. Throw them onto here.
How many come in the box?
6.
Do you remember how much they were?
Not sure on the price. Look neat. Oh, that's not gonna work.
Why not?
Because they're rolling into one another. Alright, so it's ready to go. And in they go.
For how long?
Now we'll wait 18 minutes.
We can put the timer you made for us.
Let's see the result. Smells good. And they look very nice.
Did you make it from scratch?
Yep. Hand dipped them.
Homemade. Hello everyone, it is 12:30 and I forgot to close out the vlog because I was editing the vlog. Too much vlog. Today I didn't realize we did so much and recorded a lot. So it took a long time for it to upload into the computer, blah 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 blah. Either way, it's not going to be up yet. Oh, we also changed out our blanket. We put the thick one. What do you call those? I've heard a lot of people call those blankets the Mexican blankets, but do they have a real name?
I don't know. That's what I've heard them referred to as also.
It's like those blankets that have like usually really crazy looking prints, like they're like a lion or like a bear or a wolf or whatever. They're usually like, I don't even know what material that is, but it's like a really short kind of like fur-ish kind of thing. I don't know. I've always heard them as Mexican blankets. I have no idea what they're called, but I'm sure if you've heard them, you know what I'm talking about. We were noticing that at night, we were turning up the heater a lot because we were cold. So instead, we just added a blanket or changed out our blanket, and now we can keep the heater a little lower. All right, so if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do so you can keep up with our vlogs and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time we upload a video. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Good night.